Avocado and pastrami sandwiches is a thing, but I'm not going to stick avocado and pastrami between two slices of bread. Oh no! I'm going to make avocado and pastrami cigarillos as a starter to a meal. Let's start with the avocado, which is supposed to be ripe and ready. Let's see. Twist. Seems pretty ripe to me. Bosh. Ting, pop, out it comes. Bosh. I'll just say that again. Bosh. Scoop the flesh into a bowl with a teaspoon. Mash it with a fork. Then add in half a teaspoon of lime juice to stop it going brown and manky. Nobody likes brown manky avocado. A little bit of salt, not too much. And a little bit of freshly ground black pepper, again, not too much. And mix well. Nice. Yep. Here I've got 10 slices of pastrami from a budget supermarket. Now I'm not going to give this supermarket any free publicity because, well, they're not paying me. But what I will say is the name of the supermarket is an anagram of my favourite Spanish surrealist artist. Take a slice and spread on some of the avocado. And then carefully roll it up. There we go. Now I'll do the rest. And there we are, 10 avocado and pastrami cigarillos. Now I'm going to pop them in the fridge for a couple of hours to chill. Serve with olives, baby tomatoes, sliced cornichons or pickled ginger if you prefer, and some wasabi. Now if you are going to serve wasabi with this, do make sure to tell your guests that that little green slug on their plate is wasabi and not some avocado mush, because even the slightest little bit of wasabi to the unwary can be dangerous. You turned the lights out.